Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another quick unboxing video for you. This is something I picked up off eBay. It was one of the few places I could find it, but yeah, we'll get into it. But knife I'm going to use to open it is the Ryder Tadpole, and it's model RR1451. This is also known through some of the knife community as the Angry Watermelon. But yeah, pretty awesome little knife. Lots of fun. So I'm thinking this knife's gonna be a little fun. Let's see what's. Let me open the box off camera. Check it out. Anything in here? No, it looks like this air pillow and some peanuts. But yeah, this is it. And as it says right on the box, it says Rough Rider Zombie Nick. And it is model RR1451 1451. So yeah, let's check this out. I'm not sure if anybody's seen these Zombie Nick knives Rough Rider's putting out, but you know, they're a fun looking knife, kind of like the Tadpole. I couldn't find them on Smoky Mountain Knife Works. I searched around, I found it on eBay. But yeah, let's open it up. So check it out. So it's pretty cool. You got green bone, smooth handle, the nickel silver bolster. You have a Zombie Nick shield. It's inlaid in there. This is a lockback. It's got brass liners, black blade. Yeah, let's open it up. You can see got a real long nail pole. Check it out. This is a razor. And yeah, you can see Zombie Nick. There's a Rough Rider logo. And you notice it's an older model. Rough Rider. The Rider is spelled with an I instead of the Y. So I'm pretty sure these are discontinued. And on this side of the blade, you got friends don't let friends eat friends. And right there, 440 razor sharp steel. Model number RR1451. And of course, these are all made in China. But yeah, that's a pretty awesome looking blade. Looks like a pretty thick blade. Handle's kind of pretty slim. As I said, it's a lockback. Walking, the pole on it isn't real strong. I mean, it ain't going to come out too easy, but yeah, I'd say 0 to 10. The pole on this is like a 4 or 5 maybe. But yeah, nice lockback. It is really solid. I don't know what kind of coating is on here. If you use this a lot, that's going to wear off. I don't know how long the lettering is going to last, but hey, it kind of matched the theme, Let's see if I can wipe some of this oil off. I think this is a pretty cool knife. You're looking for a traditional, it's, kind of different. This is definitely a little different. These green green handles, black blade. But yeah, the pole's not too bad. So this is the first straight razor pattern I've gotten, and right off the bat I like that blade style. But take some measurements and stuff. So overall, you got about about 6 3/4, I guess. It's hard to get it in the right spot. Yeah, 6 3/4. Handle is 3 and a little over 3.5 or 3 3/4. Just about, yeah, I'd call it 3 3/4. The blade is overall well, the cutting edge, you got a 2.5 inch cutting edge. Overall, you got about 2 7/8 overall blade, 2.5 inch cutting edge. Let's weigh this baby. Doesn't feel extremely heavy. 2.3 ounces. That's not bad. Let's get that out of the way. Like I said, this is just an unboxing, first impressions. Overall fit and finish doesn't seem bad at all. Transition between the bolster and the scales, pretty smooth on both sides. Between the scales and the brass liners, the liners are just a little proud. You know, I can run my nail up through there, and the edge feels even. And the back, yeah, everything's pretty flush. Got a little gap. I don't know if you can see on, you might be able to see the light through there. Got a little gap along that area. But yeah, all the pins are nice and pretty much flush. Nothing sticking up. This side's a lot better. Is actually better than this side. This one, it kind of sticks up the most. This one's actually recessed. That's in there a little bit more. This one sticks up a little bit. Got some contouring, you know, on a scale, so that's right on the where it starts the contour, the chamfer there. But yeah, let's see if I can get a piece of paper real fast and see if this thing's sharp. Okay, I got a piece of printer paper. See if this thing is pretty sharp. That is pretty smooth. Yeah, got good edge on it. Let's see if I want to see if it fit into how it fits into the sheath. This is from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. This is the large. These things are pretty cheap. I think this is like $4. Actually, this one might be a little bit too big. Let's see if I can find. I got the other two right here, so got large, medium, small. I think it'll probably fit in the medium pretty good. Yeah, that's nice. that fits right in the medium sheath or slip. Perfect. I don't know which way it should go. Pull it out. I don't know. Probably put it in like that. Unless I want to protect the bolster. Keep that from getting scratched up, then do it that way. But yeah, I mean, it's a traditional knife. You can throw it in your pocket. Obviously, there's no pocket clips or anything. But when I carry a traditional, I do like using those slips. But yeah, check it out a little closer. I like the zombie Nick head there. That's pretty cool looking. Got a zombie Nick. Got this long nail pole, nail Nick. But yeah, keep it in focus. This is a pretty cool knife. I wish I got this before Halloween. And this side again. Friends don't let friends eat friends. I'm sure somebody's going to have a comment on that. It's a joke, you know, it's a novelty knife. It's not meant to be serious. I've gotten comments on, I don't know what exactly where it is now. The Mandalorian, Star Wars Mandalorian patch I had. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. But I'm sure somebody's going to make a comment about that. Oh well. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I like this. I like this pattern. The razor, the straight razor pattern. Yeah, I'm going to have to check those out. Single blade. This is lock back. I'm not sure if they're all lock backs. But yeah, I'm going to have to check more of this pattern out. See if I can find something else. But yeah, like I said, just a real quick video unboxing, first impressions. First impression, I think it's, you know, funny. I do like the pattern of this. Fit and finish is pretty good, like I said. Along here, along the back lock, and the liner, there's a gap. I think maybe you can see light coming through if I get just right. But you know, I paid about 15 bucks for this on eBay. I don't know what they were originally. There's other knife dealers out there that have a few. I can't think of what they weren't familiar to me, so. But yeah, they're around about the same price, with shipping included, about 15 bucks. And I know they have a elephant's toe or a sunfish pattern done like this. And I think they have a canoe pattern. So I think I'd like to get the rest of these too. But definitely have to shop around. But yeah, just a quick video. The Zombie Nick razor knife. Model RR1451. Zombie Nick. And yeah, pretty cool. I like this pattern though. I'm definitely gonna check out more of this pattern. But yeah, I guess that's it for this. You know, as usual, all the same stuff. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below. If you have this pattern, if you like it, you know, or if you have the Zombie Nick models, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Until the next video, bye.